Hello my dear students. Now I would like to continue the problems which are remaining in the exercise 2a. So this is the problem from 5th main 6th problem. So to solve this, first all of you have to write the whole numbers as a list first. 10 plus 7 plus 13, and then you have to write the fractions as 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 by splitting all the fractions. Now we have to add these numbers, which is 7 plus 13 is 20, 20 plus 10 is 30, plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. Now we have to take the LCM of these fractions, which is 2, 3, 4. These 2 ones are 2, 3, 2 2s are 4. Again by 2, 2 ones are 2 here. Again by 3, 3 ones are 3 here. Now you can multiply 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So LCM is 12. Now you can write it as 30 plus, where LCM is 12, you have to write in the denominator. So 2 6 are 12, so 1 6 are 6 here. Now 3 4s are 12 here, you can write 1 4s are 4 here. Here 4 3s are 12, so you can write 1 3s are 3. That is equal to 30 plus 13 by 12. Now you can again observe here, this is the improper fraction. Now you have to convert as the mixed fraction by dividing this. So 12 ones are 12 here, remainder is 1. So 1 by 12 is the mixed fraction of 13 by 12. So 1 by 12. So now you can write it as 30 plus 1 plus 1 by 12, and add these two numbers, which is 31 1 by 12. 31 1 by 12. So next, 6th line, subtract the following fractions. So now here also you can use this method. First you can write 3 1 by 4 as 3 plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 as 1 plus 1 by 4. Take it in the brackets because it is negative sign in between them. So it is equal to 3 plus 1 by 4. So multiply with the minus sign whichever is in the bracket, which is minus 1, minus into plus, minus 1 by 4. Observe here, now you can cancel plus 1 by 4 and minus 1 by 4. And remaining terms are 3 minus 1, which is equal to 2. So this is the answer for this. Now to solve this problem, here also you have to split the fractions, like 9 plus 1 by 9 minus 3 plus 4 by 7. So now you can write it as 9 plus 1 by 9 minus 3 minus 4 by 7. Now we can write the whole numbers together here, 9 minus 3, and then fractions together, plus 1 by 9 minus 4 by 7. Now 9 minus 3 is 6 here, plus here the LCM is, since there is no common factor for 9 and 7, 9 7s are 63 here. So now you can divide 63 by 9 7 times. So 9 7s are 63, 1 7s are 7 here, minus 9 minus 7 9s are 63, and 4 9s are 36 here. Now you can write it here, 6 plus, here it is minus 29 by 63, minus 29 by 63. Now again here, since it is minus, we have to convert it as the subtraction of two fractions. So this is 6 by 1, which is now it is plus into minus, minus 29 by 63. Again you have to take the LCM here. 163s are 63 is the LCM. Now how many times it divides? 163 times. So 63 6 are 6 3 are 6 is 36 plus 1. So 378 minus 63, how many times it divides? 1 time. So 29 ones are 29. Now it is 378 minus 29 gives 18 minus 9 is 9 here. It's minus 2 is 4. So 349 by 63. So this is the answer. Subtract the following third one. Solution. You can write it as 100 minus. You can change this mixed fraction into improper, which is 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 1, 11 by 2. Now you can write 100 as 100 by 1 by making it as a fraction. Any whole number is given, you can write it as, by writing 1 in the denominator, you can convert as a fraction. So now you can take the LCM, which is 1 2s are 2 here, write it in the denominator. Now 1 2s are 2, so 100 into 2, 200 minus here 2 1s are 2, 11 1s are 11. So by subtracting here, 200 minus 10 is 190. Remaining is 189 by 2. 189 by 2. Now you can convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction by dividing by 2. 2 9s are 18 here, 0, 9, 2 4s are 8. Remainder is 1 here, 94 1 by 2. It gives 94 1 by 2. Quotient, remainder by divisor, which is 94 1 by 2 is the answer for this. Next, 6 by 7 minus 7 by 11. 6 by 7 minus 7 by 11. Here you have to take the LCM. These are the simple fractions only. So what will be the LCM of 7 and 11? Since there is no common factor for 7 and 11, just you have to multiply them, which is 7 11s are 77, which will be the LCM. Write it in the denominator, 77. So now how many times the 7 divides the 77? 11 times. 7 11s are 77. Multiply that 11 with 6, which is 6 11s are 66, minus 11 7s are 77. Multiply that 7 with numerator, 7 7s are 49. So after subtracting, you will get 17 by 77. Okay, next, 3 by 19 minus 1 by 20. Here also you have to take the LCM of the denominators. So what will be the LCM of these two denominators? Is there any common factor to 19 and 20? No, therefore you have to multiply them to find out the LCM. So 19 into 20, which gives 380, which is the LCM. So write it in the denominator, 380. So now how many times of 19 will become as 380 here? See here, 19 20s are 380. So we have to multiply the 20 with the 3. 3 20s are 60 minus, how many times of 20 is 380 here? 19. So 1 19s are 19. So which gives 60 minus 19, which is equal to 41 by 380. So this is the answer. Next, 4 1 by 5 minus 3 2 by 7. So here first you have to take the you have to convert the mixed fractions into improper fractions, which is 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 1, 21 by 5 minus 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 2, 23 by 7. Now we have to take the LCM of the denominators. So what will be the LCM of denominators? 5 7s are 35. So how many times of 5 is 35 here? 7 times. So 7 into 21 you have to take here. I am writing directly here. 7 into 21 minus, how many times of 7 is 35 here? 7 5s are 35. So you have to multiply that 5 with numerator 23. So by multiplying this, 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, which is 147 minus 23 5s are 115 by 35. So which gives 147 minus 115 gives 32 by 35. So this is the answer. Next, the seventh main. Here 3 fractions are given instead of 2 fractions. Here also same procedure. First you have to take the LCM of the denominators, which gives observe here I am taking 17 comma 4 comma 7. Observe here, is there any common factor for all these numbers? No. Therefore you have to multiply the number 17 into 4 into 7, which gives 476 as the LCM. So now we have to take the LCM here and convert individual fractions as their equivalent fractions. Instead of taking a common LCM, I am converting it as individual fractions. Otherwise you can try by taking the common denominator also. So I am taking a common denominator 476. Observe here, how many times of 17 is 476 here? You see, this gives 17 into 4 into 7 is equal to 476. So 17 into how many times is 476? 4 7s are 28. So 17 28s are 476. So you have to multiply the numerator with 28 here. So 8 into 28. What is the sign in between those fractions? Minus. We should write minus here. Now try, how many times of 4 is 476 here? Observe here, 17 into 7 into 4 is 476. So 4 into these two numbers is equal to 476. So 17 7s are how much here? 119. So you have to write here 119 into this numerator 3 plus 7 into how many times is 476 here? 17 4s are 68. So 7 into 68 is equal to 476. So you should write here 68 4s. Multiply the numerator with 4. So now you have to multiply the numerator values, which is 8 into 28, which gives 224, minus 119 into 3, which gives 357, plus 68 into 4 is 272 by 476. So now you can add positive terms first. 224 plus 272, which gives 496 minus 357 by 476. So after subtraction you will get 139 by 476. This is the answer for this. So in each and every problem, first you have to take the LCM of the denominators, and then you have to convert the given fractions into their equivalent fractions which are having the denominator equal, which is equivalent to the LCM, and then you have to add them. Next, 3 1 by 4 minus 1 1 by 2 plus 10. I am writing them by converting the mixed fractions into improper fractions first. So 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 1 13 by 4 minus 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1 3 by 2 plus I am writing 10 as in the form of a fraction by writing the 1 in the denominator. Now what will be the LCM of the denominators 4 and 2? This is 4. You check it, 4 comma 2 comma 1, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s, 1s here, 2 1s, 1s, 1. So 2 2s are 4 is the LCM here. So now you can write a common denominator which is equivalent to the LCM. So now 4 how many times it divides? 1 times. 4 1s are 4. So 13 into 1, 13 here. I am not writing, just my multiplying. So here 2 how many times it divides? 2 times. 2 2s are 4. Multiply the 2 with numerator 3. So 3 2s are 6. Plus here 1 how many times it divides? 4 times. 1 4s are 4. You have to multiply that with 10. 10 4s are 40. So add the positive terms first, which are 53 minus 6. 53 minus 6, which gives 47 by 4. Now it is the improper fraction. You can convert into the mixed fraction. 1s are 4. Here also 4 1s are 4. This 11 3 by 4. So next. Eight 1 by 3 minus 2 1 by 7 plus 3 1 by 6. So here also first you have to convert all the mixed fractions into improper fractions. So 3 8s are 24 plus 1, 25 by 3 minus 7 2s are 14 plus 1, 15 by 7 plus 6 3s are 18 plus 1, 19 by 6. Now what will be the LCM of 3 comma 7 comma 6 here? So divide 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Now dividing by 2, 2 1s are 2 here, again dividing by 7. Here it is 7 3s are 21, 21 2s are 42. So 42 is the LCM here. So now you can write 42 in the denominator. Check how many times 3 divides here. 3 14s. Observe here 7 2s are 14. 14 3s are 42. So 3 14 times divides. So multiply the numerator by 14 here. Minus here 7 6 are 42. So multiply the numerator 15 by 6 here. Plus here 6 7s are 42. Multiply the numerator by 7. So after multiplying here 25 14s, you will get 350 here. Minus 15 6 are 90. Here 19 7s are 133 by 42, which gives, first you add the positive terms, which is 483 minus 90, which gives 393 by 42. So this is the answer for here. So in the next class I will explain the word problems from 8th to 15. Good day all of you.